So I was just taking pictures of how these berries are glowing in the sun. And I looked up and there are the fawns. This is my second lap through the trail. And I wasn't sure if I was going to see them tonight or not. I saw the mother up on the hill. Let's see how confident they are, how familiar they are with me. Okay, we'll stop here for a while. Okay. Cautious but curious. Hi. Hi. Hi, how are you? Well, my voice isn't freaking him out at least. So for context, I am zooming, and looks like I'm about 20 feet away from this one and about 15 feet away from this one. Yeah. So now we're within about 10 feet. This one's peeking around the tree. Okay, so this is getting to be a long video, so we'll leave it here and maybe take another one.